Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're looking at the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Custom Trail Bus. This custom trail bus is featured in a white paint finish and is a jet black interior. Under the hood is our 5.3-liter V8 engine with our automatic transmission as well as four-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle is 6-passenger seating on cloth seating surfaces. In the front of the vehicle we also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, backup camera with our adaptive guidelines, as well as much more. Outside the vehicle, we have red tow hooks in the front of the vehicle, black alloy rims, black assist steps, a tonneau cover, as well as our powered tailgate and a spray-on bed liner. Starting off in the front of our vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and a rear window lock, storage with our speaker and the rest of the door. Just inside, to the left of the steering wheel, trailer mode, transfer case settings for four-wheel drive, as well as lighting controls. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our display cluster. You can see the vehicle has 33,701 kilometers on it. You can adjust that digital speedometer with our button to the right of it. You can see we also have trip computers and much more. Left-hand side, we have cruise settings, as well as wiper controls and our turn signal. Column shifter on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, and a keyed ignition. On the key, we actually have a remote start, factory built in. Moving to our infotainment in the center, we have our AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth media, phone connection, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailer lights, as well as on the second page we have our backup camera with adaptive and hinge guidelines, home, seek, volume, and hands-free below. Then we have our climate control settings for the front of the vehicle with front and rear defrost, downhill assist, power tailgate, hazard lights, and traction control across the bottom, integrated trailer brake controller, USB-C, USB, 12 volt, and a 120 volt plug. Moving to the center console center seat combo, we have storage with 2 cup holders. You can open the back for some additional storage. If we simply push up on the front, we can lock it into place, and we can pull down the side to unlock. Also finished in that jet black cloth, and that's featured throughout the front of the vehicle. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar settings at the front, dome lights for the front of the vehicle, as well as our dome lighting controls for the whole vehicle. Now walking down the front side of our vehicle. On the front we have our Chevrolet badging etched in, as well as Z71 badging, red tow hooks, as well as our lighting. On the hood, or just before the front door of the vehicle, we have our Z71 off-road badging. Front tire and rim is our jet black alloy rim with our Chevy bow tie center cap, as well as all-terrain tires. Also have black capped mirrors, black cap door handles, a black assist step, and a 2-inch factory lift. Trail Boss badging on the back corner of our bed, as well as corner bumper steps. All the way around at the back, Chevrolet etched into the tailgate, Silverado and Custom in chrome, dual chrome exhaust tips, and our trailer tow hitch. Power tailgate that we can simply open with the press of a button, also has an easy lift. Out of the truck, we have our LED in-bed lighting, 3 cable tie-downs in both the front and the back, our spray-on bed liner, as well as our soft rolling tonneau cover. Moving into the back of our crew cab, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, between the front 2 seats, we have 2 rear vents, all-weather rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. Second row seats, we have a 60/40 fold-up bench, finished in our jet black cloth. If we lift up on these seats, we can fold them up to make some additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.